Are you looking for the best electric tricycles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric tricycles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Electric Tricycle for Adults 20. Removable high-tech battery. This electric tricycle comes with a certified 48V12Ah battery, featuring advanced protection against overtemperature, overvoltage, and overcharging. Enjoy up to 20+ miles per charge, or 40 miles with pedal assist mode, PAS, ensuring long-lasting and reliable performance for your everyday rides. 350W powerful brushless motor. Powered by a 350W front hub brushless motor, this trike delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Designed for urban commutes and leisure rides, it provides exceptional control and efficiency across various terrains. 2 riding modes and 7-speed gear system. Switch seamlessly between throttle mode for effortless cruising or pedal assist mode for added exercise. With a 7-speed gear system, this tricycle adapts to slopes and road conditions, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. Practical design for daily needs. Equipped with large detachable cargo baskets at the front and rear, this tricycle is perfect for grocery shopping, picnics, or daily errands. Its industrial-grade differential system enhances stability and allows for smooth turns, while the foldable design makes it easy to store in an SUV or small spaces. Sturdy and easy-to-assemble frame. The durable aluminum alloy frame and robust chassis support up to 330 pounds, with a maximum load capacity of 500 pounds for combined weight. Delivered 85% pre-assembled, the remaining setup is simple with included tools and instructions. Customer support you can count on. Our dedicated service team is available 24/7 via Amazon to assist with any issues. The battery is backed by a 6-month warranty, while the tricycle frame comes with a 12-month warranty, non-human damage. Number 2. Mooncool electric tricycle for adults, 500W/750W 48V20. Certified safety and quality. This electric tricycle is UL 2849, report no. ZKT 23100976331S, and UL 2272, report no. ZKT 23103183002S, certified, ensuring the highest safety and performance standards for a secure riding experience. Durable aluminum frame. Crafted with a 6061 aluminum frame, this trike offers exceptional durability and longevity, providing a strong and reliable foundation for daily use. Upgraded removable battery. Featuring a 48V 14.5Ah removable battery, this tricycle delivers a range of 35 to 45 miles per charge. Conveniently charge the battery at home or on the go for extended riding flexibility. Powerful 500W motor with differential system. Equipped with a 48V 500W helical motor and a rear speed differential system, this trike ensures smooth acceleration, enhanced torque, and consistent performance, eliminating startup slippage for a seamless ride. Foldable convenience with ample storage. Designed for easy portability, the foldable frame allows for compact storage in small spaces or transport in an SUV. Spacious front and rear baskets provide ample storage for errands, picnics, or daily commutes. Number 3. 20-inch fat tire folding electric tricycle for adults, 3-wheel e-bike. Certified safety and quality. This fat tire electric tricycle is UL 2849, report no. ZKT 23102482120S, and UL 2272, report no. ZKT 23103183003S, certified, ensuring the highest safety and quality standards for reliable performance and peace of mind. 3 riding modes for versatility. Enjoy flexibility with 3 riding modes: electric, assisted, and normal tricycle. Use the LCD display to easily select your preferred electric assist level, making this trike ideal for daily commutes, short trips, or leisurely rides. Ride with confidence on any terrain. Equipped with durable 20 inches by 4 inches puncture-resistant fat tires, this tricycle provides excellent grip and stability across various terrains. Its 6061 aluminum frame ensures strength and longevity for a safe and sturdy foundation. Powerful performance. Powered by a 48V500W motor, this electric tricycle reaches a safe top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. The 48V14.5-hour removable battery delivers an impressive range of 30 to 45 miles, offering extended riding time and the convenience of charging on the go. Practical features for everyday use. The large rear basket provides ample storage space for groceries, shopping, or daily essentials, making it a practical solution for errands. Stay safe and visible with the integrated LED headlight, perfect for night rides or low light conditions. Number 4. 750W Electric Tricycle for Adults. Customizable features. Tailor your e-trike to fit your lifestyle with optional rear fenders, an e-trike seat with a backrest, seat post included, an e-tricycle cover, and pre-shipment assembly services, via 3SCORE Corp. Designed for versatility and comfort, this motorized electric tricycle ensures a personalized riding experience. Powerful motor and long-lasting battery. Powered by a 750W geared hub motor and a 48V battery, this electric trike reaches speeds over 20 miles per hour and covers 35 plus miles on motor-only mode or up to 55 plus miles with PAS Level 1. The included smart charger fully recharges the battery in just 5 hours, keeping you ready for your next ride. Warranty and adjustable comfort. Enjoy a 1-year comprehensive warranty against manufacturing defects, beginning at delivery. The seat-to-pedal length of 33 inches can be adjusted for optimal comfort by replacing the suspension-less seat, catering to riders of all sizes. Advanced Pedal Assist System, PAS. Navigate effortlessly with the 5-level PAS. Level 0 offers a normal pedaling experience, while Level 5 provides maximum power, mimicking bionic legs for enhanced mobility. PAS activation and deactivation are conveniently managed via handlebar controls. Enhanced safety features. Ride with confidence using parking brakes, yellow turn signals, an electric horn, and luxury rear-view mirrors. These features ensure exceptional visibility and safety, whether commuting in urban areas or enjoying recreational rides. Ample storage solutions. Carry everything you need with an oversized rear basket and a spacious front basket. Designed for electric cargo trike users, this e-trike combines stability and practicality without sacrificing maneuverability. Certified safety standards. This trike meets UL 2272 and UL 2849 certification standards, ensuring top-tier safety and reliability for peace of mind on every journey. Number 5. 350W Adult Electric Tricycle. 2 separate packages and easy assembly. This electric tricycle arrives in 2 packages, one containing the battery and the other the trike. Assembly is required and supported with detailed instructions. Certified to meet UL 2272, Report No. WUX 202210244422 ULR1, and UL 2849, Report No. ZKT 23082366627S, Standards, ensuring safety and quality you can trust. 3 riding modes with LCD display. Switch between electric, pedal assist, and traditional tricycle modes to suit your needs. The intuitive LCD display lets you select your desired level of electric assist, making this e-trike perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides. Reliable 350W motor with 7-speed rear derailleur. Powered by a 350W drive motor, this trike reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. The removable 36V/10.4Ah battery provides up to 25 miles per charge, ensuring a dependable and efficient riding experience. Enhanced stability with double rims and disc brakes. Equipped with 2 disc brakes, the electric tricycle delivers precise stopping power and consistent speed control, even on descents. Upgraded double rims provide extra stability for a smoother, more secure ride. Spacious basket and LED headlight. Carry your essentials in a generously sized rear basket, ideal for groceries, supplies, or daily errands. The integrated LED headlight ensures safety and visibility during nighttime rides or low light conditions.